Hey everybody, it's Anna from Tales from the Craft Room. I am in a different craft room tonight. I am actually in my kitchen getting ready to make some cookies. And I thought I would share with you something that I got here recently. I was the September, I think it was, entry or winner for Terry and Lottie's challenge that they do each month. I finally got a chance to enter one, and I won. And Terry was the one that was responsible for sending the gift or the prize, and she sent me a $25 Amazon gift card. Now I played around with it, trying to decide exactly what I wanted, and this is what I ended up getting because I am, like I said, making cookies. Sugar cookies, decorated sugar cookies. I've finally gotten over that fear. I've done it successfully like twice now. So anyway, what I got, and this is, keep in mind, this is like maybe the first time in my entire life that I've shopped Amazon, so I was a little slow at figuring things out. But I got some things to help with my new craft. I got one of these Wilton 16-inch decorating bags for my frosting. I also got these spring sprinkles. They are green and got some little eggs in them, kind of cute. Hang on to those until spring. And I got all these off the Wilton site. And the other thing that I got, which I'm super excited about, set these over here, is I got this. It's actually a cake decorating set. Well, decorate cakes and desserts. It is, I was going to get the cookie one. This one actually had more options in it than the cookie one did. But it comes with a bunch of disposable bags. It comes with a little frosting spreader thing, a little paintbrush, and several different tips for decorating. I had to stop the video to take it out of the box because I'm doing this one-handed because, like I said, I'm in the middle of making cookies. But it has a book here that gives you some, tips and instructions on decorating cookies and cakes and different ways, different things that you can do with the tips and whatnot. I've looked through that. I'll probably read it a few more times. I don't plan on doing cakes, but cookies is what I want to decorate. Like I said, it comes with several different tips. This honking huge one for like frosting cakes. It's huge. Some couplers and the paintbrush, and like I said, it's got a whole bunch of different, two different sizes of the disposable decorating bags. So I'm going to get back to my cookies, and when they are all done, I will share with you the cookie process, because I do it one night and then I frost them the next night, so I will share those two with you before I upload this video. Okay, so here's what I accomplished tonight. I got a total of 3 dozen, I think. Something like that. I don't know, there's a lot of sugar cookies. Most of them are the bigger size, which that's the ones that I have made in the past. I decided to make a few smaller ones just to be able to use up all the dough and to, have a variety of sizes, especially for the people who don't want the big ones. They want just a little bit, So there is one tray, and these are just being stored until tomorrow when I frost them. Here's the next tray, and here is the last tray. And this is the cookie cabinet that they are sold from. So I don't think I'll pack them in that tight necessarily when they're frosted, but you never know, I might.